Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another video where I will be showing you how you can simply log out from all of the devices from your Instagram app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, do share this video with your friends and family, and we'll simply just dive into our video now. So to do that, you will simply just go to your Instagram app, make sure Instagram app is updated, and then you have, so what you will do is simply once your app is open, you will tap on this profile icon over here on your below right corner. Then you will tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner, go to settings over here. You will simply tap on this option called security over here, tap on it, and you can see this login activity option. Simply tap on it, and here you can see where I am logged in with what I am logged in. And if you have all the devices over here lined up over here, then you will see this three dot beside the particular device. Simply tap on it. Here you can see logout option over there. Simply tap on that option and you will be logged out from your current devices that you would like to. This particular is I'm logged in with my current mobile phone over here, so I will not do it obviously. And the other thing that you can do is simply tap on this password option. Here you can add in your current password, new password again. Tap on this blue check and you will be changing your password, and you will get logged out of the other devices that you are logged in with your current password that was there. So yeah, this is how you can simply get logged out of all of your devices from your Instagram. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have more concerns, to leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.